Welcome to this Union Power Coaching guided meditation for fatigue and for unwinding. Give yourself a moment to get comfortable and into a calm state. Allowing yourself this time. I invite you now to close your eyes, knowing that right now you've nowhere to be but here. We'll begin by taking a moment to notice the breath. Noticing if the breath is deep or short, easy or strained. With me now, let's take in a short breath and exhale out. Now taking in a deep breath. Exhaling it back out. Noticing immediately the difference between those breaths. How the deep breath recharges, calms, and heals. Remind yourself that you can take these deep breaths anywhere, at any time. Be it alone in a quiet space, or in a busy, crowded space. You can bring the calm to you just by breathing it in. Remembering to breathe this way throughout this meditation. Enter now into your mind and see it like a disorganized room, full of thoughts, ideas, memories, stresses. Maybe they've been consciously avoided or unconsciously. Either way, now you can begin to organize these thoughts, organizing these feelings. Picking up each one and asking yourself, does this help me? Does this serve me? Is this something necessary to hold on to in my life? Begin placing these thoughts, memories and stresses into a box, clearing this space. Making space for things that will help you, that will serve you and that are necessary. Continue journeying through your mind, removing the past and making room for the present. Feeling the weight falling off your shoulders in the process. And with a deep breath in, take this box and visualize yourself placing it into a bin. Exhaling back out that breath, feeling relief, feeling light, feeling free. Returning now back to the same room where you just were, but see the difference. Feel the difference. Take the time to observe the space that you have created. Thank yourself for removing what you no longer needed. The things that made it hard to unwind. The things that made you fatigued. Breathe in this new space, seeing it like an ocean view. Open, vast, endless. Feel how this breath energizes you. Feel the happiness that it gives you. Know that you hold the key to this space, and you can come back whenever you need to remove the old and to welcome the new, the helpful, the exciting. You can clear this pathway to allow yourself to always be moving forwards. Returning now once more to those deep breaths and with a smile on your face. Ending this meditation full of life, full of joy. Thank yourself for taking this time for yourself. As I too thank you for joining me for this meditation. When you're ready and only when you're ready, taking one last deep breath and slowly open your eyes.